first question.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are joined by rising reggae star Royal Blue. Welcome, sir.
What's up?
Oh, I want to.
How you spell blue?
BLU without the E.
No,
Oh,
E.
okay.
Okay.
No, but nobody said without the E. You have BLEW.
That's true. That's
And that
true.
would, if you take out the E's, that would be Royal Blue.
Don't pay him no money, our Royal. I have a question for you. How has this pandemic affected you personally, but also as well as your career? And what are you doing to keep motivated? 3 questions.
Personally, I feel like only way it affect me is that I don't really get to see my friend them and them thing that we usually link up regularly and stuff. My career, it hasn't really stopped anything more than doing live performances because I like performing live. I like seeing the people. I like interacting with the fans and whatever. So,
Right.
yeah.
Okay.
So, have you gotten used to the new norm, or are you just waiting until everything goes back to how it was?
This is the norm for me, you know. I wash my hands and I'm always inside.
Exactly.
You know, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me always inside too.
You always inside. Okay, Dufton. Aside from music, though, Royal, have you taken up any new projects like gardening or cooking or I don't know anything new that started from this pandemic?
I haven't taken up anything new really. If anything, I just exercise a little more just to keep myself, you know, in shape and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, that's up.
So you're trying to say, or you know how to garden and cook?
Well, banana gardening experience.
He's like, I'm good. I got it all. I got this.
You have a documentary out, right? And as well as a
Yeah.
brand new single. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell us about those.
Yeah, the documentary. I did the documentary with Yannick. Yannick shot it. It was for the new video called Hype.
Right.
It was cool. We just went in on how we created the video and stuff, and the process of creating the song as well and thing.
Okay. All right. Well, we
And the video, Hype. Tell us about the video.
Oh yes, the video Hype is out now. It dropped yesterday. Yeah, that's directed by Ikem Smith. The song is produced by JLL. You know, yeah man, it out now, man. I'm a thing, delicious vinyl.
All right, here what happened now. We're gonna look at the video. So you're gonna intro the video.
Yeah man, no problem.
So 3, 2, 1, intro.
intro Royal, go.
Yeah man, you don't know, this is Royal Blue. Check out the new video for Hype, directed by Ikem, song produced by JLL.